Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Carrot websites, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you add a website admin or editor into your Carrot website? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to add an admin or an editor into your Carrot website anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, maybe doing wholesale real estate, you know that it's important to have various pages and updates in your Carrot website. So maybe you want to add a VA or some sort of assistant in to help you with that. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Carrot website dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Carrot account, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to add an assistant or an administrator into one of your websites, here on the top right, you're going to click on this little arrow to your initials. Once you do that, you'll see a drop-down menu, and you want to click here on team members. Okay, so once you do that, you're going to see all the different team members that you have inside your Carrot account. You can see it's just me and this other person. And in order to add an admin to one of your websites, here on the top right, click on add team member. It's in blue. Okay, next what you're going to do is you're going to go ahead and enter in their email address right here. Okay, once you've done that, you can go ahead and add them as an account role right here. So if you're going to give them permissions here on the account level, they're going to get access to all of the different websites and account functions that you approve right here. But if you simply want to just add them into one website or various websites, you're going to go ahead and scroll down and choose the website. Off to the right of the website, you're going to see this downward arrow. Go ahead and click on there. Okay, so you can see you can add them as an administrator, an editor, or an author. So if you need help defining all of those, go back and watch my other video. For me personally, I'm going to go ahead and add this person as an administrator to this one website. You can add them to multiple websites if you want. So let me click on administrator. Okay, so once you've set up the website roles for all the websites you want them to have access to, click on the blue save button. Okay, so once you do that, the page refreshes. Now you can see that person is pending as the administrator to the one website that we added right here. So they won't have access until they go into their email and accept the invitation to be an admin for that one website. Once they've accepted it, they're only going to get access to this one website that we added right here. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to add an admin or an editor into one of your Carrot websites, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.